Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we will discuss about spinner. So let's create a new project. That name will be spinner demo. Okay, so that name will be spinner demo. So now it is preparing. So let's wait. So now it has done. So let's delete this text view. And now we will search for here spinner. You have to search spinner and now drag and drop here on in the constraint layout. So let's fix it. So wait for a moment guys. So now constraint it. Okay, so so here you have to keep an ID and let's see that what is there. So nothing is here guys. So let's move on the main activity .java. So guys, you have to write here spinner. You have to type spinner here. So let's type it. So it is done now. So now you need to done is spinner is find view y id r.id spinner. So guys, you need an array adapter which will help you in showing this spinner. So let's make an array string array of cities. So here you have to declare the city's name whatever you want. So I am writing and texting this Mumbai, and this is Kolkata. Now and so on, you have to write these uh, city's name. So guys, first of all let me write here some city's name. After that I will come back. So here I am writing these names. So guys, now it is done now. So let's make an array adapter. So you have to pass here a string because we are using an strings. Okay, so here you have to declare an object adapter is equal to new array adapter. So now what you have to do, you have to do here you have to write a string, and now you have to write main activity dot this because we are working on main activity. So we have to write this main activity dot this. So here you need to write here android dot r dot layout dot simple list item and adapter dot set drop down view resources, which will help you in drop your spinner down. Okay, so here you have to pass this. Now you have to set adapter in spinner. So guys, you have to write spinner dot set adapter, and now you have to write here adapter. So guys, all thing is done. So let's run the program. So so sorry guys, you have to write here cities. If you not do this, it will not show you anything. Okay, so guys, you have to write here cities. So now let's run the project again. So guys, here now you can see that it is perfectly working. So if you guys any doubt and query, then you can write down in the comment section. So guys, till then, keep learning and keep supporting. Thank you guys for watching.